If you're looking to spice up your noodles, this is the recipe. This is Shakshuka noodles. In a pot, boil your peas. In a pan with oil, cook your onions until golden brown. Then add in your tomatoes, to which you add half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add in some wine or beer of your choice and cook until your tomatoes are soft. Add in your peas and mix everything well. I used indomine, so I added the bumbu sauce and stirred. Add in water and let it come to a boil. Add in your noodles, mix everything well, and crack in some eggs. Season the eggs with salt and cover. I like my eggs well done, so I waited until they were fully cooked. The amount of water you add depends on how wet or dry you want your noodles. And there you have it, some delicious, flavorful shakshuka noodles. Enjoy!